Hey everyone, I'm back with a cooking video for my mom's garlic green beans. First, let's talk about picking the right green beans for the dish. Now ideally, you want green beans that are tender and young. If you can, pick ones that are relatively slender. My mom has taught me to avoid green beans that have bulging seeds inside because those tend to be pretty tough. Here's my mom showing me how to pick green beans while we were at the farmer's market.
Yeah.
Alright, back to cooking. To prepare the green beans, snap off the end with the stem and then snap the beans in half. Rinse the green beans thoroughly. Then spread out the green beans over large baking sheets or a couple of plates. You want to make sure that the green beans dry thoroughly. Otherwise, any droplets of water on the green beans will cause a lot of splatter when you fry them in hot oil. Next, chop up a lot of garlic. The more the merrier. To start frying, pour about a half to 1 inch of oil into a wok over medium-high heat. It doesn't really matter what kind of oil you use, but you do want a neutral flavored one, like safflower or vegetable oil. To test to see if the oil is hot enough, my mom does this trick where she sticks bamboo chopsticks into the wok. If you see tiny bubbles rapidly forming around the chopsticks, the oil is ready. You can also do this with any bamboo utensils. Whatever you use, make sure that it is touching the bottom of the wok when you perform this test. Working in batches, carefully add the green beans into the wok. Fry the beans for about 1 to 2 minutes until their skins start to wrinkle. Your first batch might take a little longer. This flash frying process is what gives the green beans extra texture. Then remove the green beans from the wok. I like to give them a little shake to remove excess oil. After that, transfer the beans to a plate lined with paper towels. Continue frying the green beans until you've flash fried all of them. Now after you've fried up all the green beans, pour the oil into a bowl or a jar. Don't bother wiping down the wok after this because you'll need some oil in the wok to saute the garlic anyway. Cook the minced garlic for about 30 seconds to a minute until the garlic just starts to pick up some golden color. Then turn off the heat and add the green beans back into the wok. Toss the green beans and garlic together. My mom loves seasoning the green beans with Lawry's garlic salt for more flavor, so I'm going to do that here too. For something extra, I like adding toasted sesame seeds and Korean red pepper flakes, gochugaru. Now serve the garlic green beans with rice and enjoy. You can find the full recipe on my blog, which I link in the description. Don't forget to click subscribe to see more cooking videos. You can also find me at Hello Lisa Lin on Instagram.